Today we're going to talk about a very important herb in Ayurveda. It has a lot of benefit, beautifully explained with beautiful examples, and this is a medicine that one must have in every house for instant results, immediate action, and for n number of day-to-day problem. Its leaf juice has outstanding benefits, and here in this video you'll understand why one must consume this medicine at least once in a year for a period of 3 months to reap all the benefit that it offers. Today we're talking about Parijat, which is well known by the name of Harsingar. Let's understand how you can put it at home, reap all the benefits, and let's understand few important points about Parijat and the benefit that it offers. Let's understand in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jovi's Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. Harsingar, Parijat, also known as Sciatica. In English, it is well known by the name of night jasmine, which is coral jasmine. Ayurveda has a lot of explanations given about Parijat. Let me explain you the explanation, small verse explained in Yoga Ratnakar. It is beautifully explained as Sciatica, Kadudikta Ushna, Ruksha Vata Kshayapaha, Swadagda Sandhi Vatagni, Kudavatadi Dosha Nut. The meaning is Sciatica Kadudikta Ushna. It is bitter in taste. It is said as dry, Ruksha. It is said as Lagu, which means it is light to digest. It is said that it is Ushna. It is hot in its potency. It is explained that it reduces the Vat and Kaph in the body. All the Kaphaj Vikar, Kaph related Vikar, whether it's throat irritation, cough, sinus, cold, headaches, whether it is asthma, breathlessness, whether it is COPD, or whether it is any Vata related problems, right from intestinal worms to constipation to piles to every Vata Vikar. It is said as Vayu Nasti Ruja. Nasti is without, Ruja is the pain. There is no pain without the involvement of Vat, and this Vat is reduced with the Parijat. So all the painful conditions, right from arthritis to grudrasi, it is said right from back, your pain is traveled towards your legs. It could be pain from back to knee or knee to soles of feet or from back radiating downwards. We see cramp, tingling sensation, numbness. For all these disorders, conditions well known as sciatica, a beautiful explanation given in Ayurveda as gridrasi, where the patient starts walking like a gridra, like a vulture. In all these conditions, we see beautiful benefit that Parijat offers. Why? Because it reduces the Kaph and it reduces the Vat. We see conditions like psoriasis, which is the world's #1 skin disease. We see psoriasis, the origin is Kaph, and psoriatic arthritis, the origin is Kaph Vatach. And for these conditions, we see suppressed fever, which is Twachagat Jwar, as the main reason. Harsingar, Parijat is the main dravya. All kinds of fever we see Harsingar, Parijat has beautiful results. Let's understand one by one what are the researches done on this medicine. There has been a research done about its anti-arthritic action, which has been proved that it is successfully useful. It has those components, it has the properties that reduces the pain, and it has shown results in the painful conditions. Next one we see very important is all the kinds of anti-inflammatory conditions, all the antioxidant values that this particular medicine offers. This medicine is available in n number of Ayurveda medicines, proprietary classical medications. We see it gives results because Parijat is also an important role. It plays an important role in that medicine. Number one, we'll talk about Manas Mitra Vatakam. It is a medicine used for seizures, epilepsy, speech, memory, intelligence, for all the Manovikar, and in this Parijat is involved and it does play a major role. We see the use of Ashwagandha Arishta, which is for reducing stress, depression, anxiety, for painful condition, for bringing about or increasing the strength and vitality. We see involvement of Parijat, hence Ashwagandha Arishta is useful. We see the use of Bala Tel. The name itself says Bala. It provides strength to the body. Bal dene wala dravya is Bala Tel. So when we apply it to the body, we see strength is increased. We see for joint pain, muscular pain, neuromuscular pain, Bala Tel is useful. Important role, Parijat. We see Arthrella ointment for arthritis has Parijat. We see step capsule for respiratory disorders. It is Parijat. N number of combinations, Parijat is definitely useful. The seeds of Parijat are used for alopecia, Sai, Khalitya, alopecia condition, we see seeds are applied. It has very good results. Parijat, we also need to use it internally because suppressed fever is another reason for alopecia. We see for joint pains around 30 ml early morning juice of the leaf juice, 30 ml, we see beautiful results, how the vat comes down, the patient is relieved. Whenever we do health camps, we do the Vidya Karma, Agni Karma, provide instant results in less than 1 minute, 2 minutes. We see how in the Vidya Karma, Agni Karma, patient gives a thumbs up, they feel good. For maintenance, we always tell them, now your nerve blockage has been recovered. Your pain has come down, we've relieved the vat, we've removed the impure blood. Now is the time that you maintain yourself with Parijat juice. In several villages, we inform patients that 30 ml of leaf juice you need to take, and when they use it, they see their nerve is being strengthened. It acts as a beautiful nerve tonic. If you ask me for Gridrasi, Sciatica, Vishwachi from cervical area, the hands are getting tingling sensation, numbness, what would be the medicine to strengthen? One of the important medicine is Parijat. It is having good results. Overall, we see for conditions like the throat ache, for cough, for breathlessness, we use 2 grams of Parijat powder to be mixed with honey. For conditions like constipation, for conditions like piles, for colic pain, abdominal pain, IBS, for all these conditions we mix 2 grams of Parijat into a decoction, 1 cup decoction of cumin seeds, which is jeera. So 1 cup cumin seed, 2 gram Parijat, we consume it once, twice a day, patient instantly starts seeing the change. It gives instant results. At the same time, it has the ability to cure the root cause because it is reducing the vat in the body. For conditions like the fungal infection and eczema, a leaf is tied up over that area or a leaf paste is applied over that area. We see the oozing, the blood discharge, the itching comes down and patient starts getting results. For many of the painful conditions like arthritis or sciatica, we see the root cause is the suppressed fever. Patient gets fever, gets over-the-counter medicine, the fever is gone. But the fever is not gone, the symptoms are gone, the fever stays in the body, and when this fever gets to the joints, it is called as the Sandhi Gat Jwar, which is fever. That is there in the joints. We see conditions of chikungunya where the symptoms are recovered but patient still has the joint pain. Sandhi Gat Jwar. Unless and until we don't treat fever, we won't see the patient is getting relief. We see this fever gets into the Twacha Gat Jwar. So most of the disorders, their origin is fever. Once they start taking Parijat for a period of 3 months, keeping a gap of 3, 6 months, 12 months, again 3 months, we see most of their issues are getting solved. Parijat plays a very important role. There are so many dravyas explained in Ayurveda, but there are very few which has a history and which has some philosophy. And this is one of them. Parijat has always been favorable to Lord Krishna, and hence it has so many benefits. These were some of the benefits that I could explain you in this video. If you would like to know more information about Parijat or any other medicine, if you have any questions or doubts, let us know in the comment section below. This was all for now. Until next time, from Jobis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.